What do you see? What are your thoughts on today's match?
All I can say is that it's going to be a very interesting match. You know, as you can see, I'm a Bayern fan. I live in Munich, and I would like Bayern to win. You know, because they didn't win the league and the Pokal here in Germany, I would like them to win this Champions League.
So Bayern's 5-2 loss to Borussia Dortmund. How do you think that will affect them?
I don't think these are professionals. You know, it will not affect them in any bad way. If at all, it will make them to play more seriously to their match.
So, if Bayern were to score, who do you think the
It's not easy to say. You know, it's not really easy to say because I don't know how the trainer has planned the match for today. You know, but I think all the strikers, all of them are in good positions to score. Robin is there.
What are your final predictions?
I think Bayern will win 2-0 against Chelsea.